Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
in case of drowning in sea water, what happens? In sea water, hemoglobin decreases and the hemoglobin decreases. Sorry, in freshwater drowning, hemoglobin increases. See, in seawater drowning, there is increased salty concentration present in the fluids. So if you see, this is the alveoli, it is filled with seawater. So here you have the blood. So the osmolarity of seawater is more higher when compared to blood. So that water moves from the blood to the seawater. So as a result, the patient will have hypovolemia. Because of hypovolemia, there will be relative hemoglobin constant will increase. Next.
thank you and thank you for watching.